Today is National Financial Awareness Day. Perhaps not one of the most glamorous of days, but certainly one of the most important, especially when it comes to taking care of your home. At Peterman, we are dedicated to providing you the best value for your home. That's why we created the Homeowner's Handbook, and it's why we take such great care to make sure your system is running as efficiently as possible. Between gas bills, electric bills, cost of equipment, your plumbing, and in particular, your HVAC equipment account for some of the most significant expenses associated with your home. At Peterman, we know the cost of needing a new system replaced can be daunting. That is why we offer financing directly through our website. Here's how it works. From our homepage, petermanhvac.com, scroll down until you see Take Advantage Now. Then look for the red box that says Financing Available with Approved Credit. Click Learn More. Or you can go directly to our financing page by typing in petermanhvac.com/financing. Next, scroll until you see the red box that reads Financing Available. Inside that red box, click the blue button that says Learn More. That will take you to the Wells Fargo site. Click the blue button at the bottom to continue and then begin filling out the form. Fill out all the information boxes on the form and note that you will need an email address to complete this online application. Click Continue and that's it. You should receive a confirmation in an email. If you have any other questions or interested in learning more about some of our other financing options, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for checking out our video for National Financial Awareness Day. Do you have any interesting money-saving tips? Let us know in the comments. Have a great day and we'll see you soon.